Next room on the agenda is the boys' room.
You've all been waiting to see the bunk beds, I'm sure, and the Star Wars decor, and all the good stuff.
We're gonna do a built-in bunk bed situation because even though this bunk bed looks thin and spindly, it's too big for the area, and we gotta fit 4 mattresses in the bunk room.
Why do we need 4 mattresses with 2 boys? Because they have cousins. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get their desks set up and possibly a little organization so that way they have less of a mess.
Yes, the boxes are good.
All right, we have a video coming to you guys sponsored by Lull. They offer these amazing beds to our boys, and our video is going to be transforming their bedroom into a bunk room. And the first thing we have to do is what?
And we have Lull pillows.
And we have Lull pillows too. What is the first thing we have to do?
We have to unbox these, then we have to make a bed to put them on.
Yeah, we got to build a bed to put them on. So that's going to open up the box here.
Well, Jack, can you believe that your whole mattress fits in this box?
Yeah.
I wonder if Jack can fit in the box. We should see Jack in the box.
I can definitely fit in.
All right. Okay, we got to get this out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna dump it.
I'm going to check.
Jack in the box.
100-day free trial. Should we ship you back? There's free shipping, Jack.
I think we'll keep you. We actually already had 3 mattresses from Lull that we know are amazing. But if you buy this mattress, they let you sleep on it for a whole 100 days, so you can decide if you like it too.
Plus cooling gel, so you don't get sweaty at night. Have you been having a problem with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have, huh?
Yeah, maybe you can actually
have it.
So most of the expanding is going to be done in 2 to 5 hours, with the rest finishing in 24 to 48 hours.
Look at how big that's already getting as soon as I undid the vacuum
It's
seal.
so fluffy. Good girl.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's already expanding huge.
That's our team. Belly flop. Oh, that's so good. I want to try.
Yeah, at least it doesn't have any springs.
Oh.
I gotta finish building the bunk beds
Alright,
so we can
let's-
sleep on these, huh?
Let's
Yeah.
get the
Oh,
others
yeah.
open.
Can you
All
do
right,
it,
go.
Redrick?
All right, go.
You guys are deep. I'm going to help you.
Help Redrick, he's gonna help you.
That's it.
Pretty quick unboxing there.
Everybody wins because you get a mattress.
That's true.
Okay, you want to test out your new pillows?
Yeah. Oh, I already feel it. Oh, that's nice.
You think you'll be able to sleep on these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like a whole body pillow for Jack. Yeah, trim's gotta come out of the corner here because to make this bed fit, I've gotta use up every last square quarter inch. Is that a thing? Square quarter inches? That I can get. This is a 3.5 inch screw. It's self-tapping. I am using that to hold this down.
Keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song. You can't turn off.
So I'm just using some leftover fasteners that I had from building the house to attach this right here. All right, I think I do need some help.
Yeah.
Okay, lift it up till it's level.
Is it
Okay,
level?
bring it this way some.
And this is the second world's smallest crowbar I've seen in my life.
The second smallest, what's the other smallest?
I forgot.
Don't let it move. All right, for the next part, I'm getting the mattresses up on here. I've got this 18 gauge slotted angle iron. I think that's what it's called. It's got these holes already pre-drilled into it. And I'm just putting them up here as rails to hold these bed slats. I got them at IKEA. They just sell these just like this out of a kit. They're not part of a bed or anything. They're $30 a piece, so 120 bucks. Right now with the current price of wood, I was gonna build my own slats, but these are actually cheaper and they're already to size, saved me a ton of work. Alright, this is kind of the tricky part. Rolling this out without getting it all tangled up. Oh! Yep, didn't happen. Alright. Let's try this again. I'm just gonna poke it up here. See what happens. Some of you may remember this desk that we did in the boys' other room at the other house. Well, it survives and it's coming to live with us. If you want to catch that video, I'll put it in the link below on how we built this desk. I'm attempting to paint these without getting paint all over the actual furniture and other things that are in the room. This has gotten me into trouble before. I probably should just clean the room out. Tarp it off like you should, tape it off, you know, but I'm just being real careful not to drip. This zebra brush holds the paint real well, so far so good. No drips where I don't want them. Toys all over the place right now, but we got us one of these to put the Legos in.
We visited Harbor Freight. They have really inexpensive mechanics toolboxes. They come on wheels. This one with a coupon was just under $200. And it's gonna last them a long time. And when they're done with Legos, they can use it for tools or whatever. So
Yeah, maybe we'll see.
I like multi-purpose situations. So all Legos in all the drawers. I don't care if they separate them because I just don't care. And they can wheel it out if they need to. They can open it up.
You know Eliza's going to get in here and want to color coordinate these in all the drawers, right?
There's just not that many drawers, so.
Yeah, we didn't get her the big ultra toolbox.
Maybe we have to buy a second toolbox. So we've had a lot of different like plastic buckets or like those plastic drawers. They never survive. So really they're just a waste of money. And they're usually between $60 and $80 by the time we buy enough. And this was just under $200 and it's like gonna last for quite a while. And then when they grow out of Legos, they can use it for tools. I'm gonna put, if you see a guy, you can put him in there.
Yes! A golden sword! Let's go!
I'm only opening this up once.
Yeah.
This is
It needs that.
So
not
this-
going back in its bag.
This is the couch. It comes very condensed. It's a beanbag couch and it's supposed to be 6 foot and navy blue.
Yeah.
And it's like microfiber.
Oh, yeah.
And it takes a whole day
Oh,
to
that's.
expand. So you may not be sleeping
This
on
is a
this
6
tonight.
foot wide couch. Me in there at all?
Yeah, 6 foot long.
Yo, this is so soft.
That's what it
and
said. They make a
thin.
7 foot one, but it was like 3 times more expensive.
Yeah, I'm never going to be able to get that condensed back in that bag.
Nope. So you have to like break it up.
There you go. Yeah, yeah.
So it actually takes 4 to 5 days, but 1 to 2 to like expand enough.
We're supposed to roll it around and punch it.
Okay.
Break-
Guys,
Break up
watch.
the chunks.
Watch out. Guys, watch out.
Just go, Jack. Just go.
It is convenient that we have this staging room.
It is convenient because the other room's still kind of a mess. Alright, so Lull has these awesome mattress protectors.
It comes with the one that's on there, but you don't really want to have to unzip that to wash it because it's not super convenient. So it's got this other one you can throw on there that comes off much easier, like a mattress pad.
It's like double protection. Excellent for if you have kids. Jack likes to sneak chocolate into bed. He's not supposed to. He knows he's not supposed
Well, I
to.
wanted to show them this too. So you can see it's got like this plastic liner on the back.
Oh, but it's not like plasticky. Like
Yeah.
it wouldn't be crinkly though.
So protecting from liquids, spills, accidents. And then, you know, worst case, you could also wash the one underneath too. Star Wars, I know you guys are shocked. These are organic, fair trade cotton from Pottery Barn. They cost roughly $2 million.
What?
No, just kidding. They were a lot.
Alright, how do you...
So, but I liked the
Are they
pattern.
sideways? Okay, here we go. Now we got it. How many Jamies and Zebs does it take to push sheets on twin beds? 2! I didn't let the boys have been dying to sleep on these.
Try it out. How are you feeling? Don't fall asleep. These are fancy.
We might have to get some king size of these because it's big, but you know how we like it to like compress down so our neck's not crinked all night?
Does it do that?
Yes.
I tested out, but I have makeup on.
Yeah, no, don't.
I believe you.
Jack will not be happy if he has makeup all over his new pillowcase.
No.
He's gonna get chocolate on it, but if you get makeup on it, he'll let you know about it.
It's so fluffy that I can't. It's like me trying to put my pants on. Here, can you get? I always like to tell people that my jeans say don't eat the piece of cake, but my leggings are like, it's okay, I got you.
All the doors are going black.
Well, eventually.
It was kind of gross, like we wiped it down, but this is an antique door. And sometimes you get antique doors and they have great age to them. This one just looks like it's dirty and needs repainted, even though that has been magic eraser right there.
Yeah, that's like as clean as it gets. I'm wondering though if we should switch out the knob. It's kind of girly.
The fun crystal knob.
It's kind of girly.
Maybe we'll
at a
visit
later
that.
date. I have a box of them. This is going to be a 2-part makeover. Because I'm not even getting into this closet, and this closet needs me to get into it.
They have some cool lockers in there that they pretty much just have thrown all their clothes in the bottom of it. They need some help.
Yeah.
They're 9 and 6.
Yeah, they got to have like a system in place, and then they'll kind of ignore that. But at least I can be like, I showed you how to put it up. Right now, they have no clue.
Looks like Crazy Hair Day is carrying over today, too.
Yeah.
All right.
Bedhead.
Okay, hold that up. You guys got that?
Yeah. Well, Jack.
Hold it up straight, and then after this, I think we'll have enough screws in. I can just screw the rest of it in.
Can I climb up too?
Yeah, we still got some organizing to do, but we're going to see how the ladder works. Climb up like it's a tree, Jack. Just get on up in there.
I'm going to top.
Think of all the exercise you'll be getting.
Ow.
So whose bed is whose? So are you not putting stuff up there?
For where?
Dad,
Like to
can I
keep
get
that top
on
bunk?
Yeah, I've
really?
got one more bracket to put up in there.
Oh, okay.
it? Whoa. I'll come down.
Oh,
But you got to
Jack's-
be able to climb over. Oh, Jack already snuggled up.
Jack's already testing out that situation.
Look how cozy you are in there.
Oh, that's nice. I get the blanket. I could just take a nap right here.
It's
Alright.
like a tree fort.
Yeah.
It's like a tree fort.
All right, guys, special shout out to Lull. Thanks for sponsoring this video. We're going to drop a link below so that way you can get all the information on this amazing bed, mattress pads, and pillows. So to build this bed, I'm about $220 in lumber, hardware, the slats for the mattresses, everything out the door. We're right around $220. For a small space, 2 boys, a few extra cousins every now and then, this is really going to work out well for them. We're going to drop the link below to any items we used from JRV Home and JamiRayVintage.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.